what is heartening here is to look at one of the graphs that was presented by FWR Numero. Nakita natin doon, di ba, merong graph comparison between the Duterte base and Lenny and yung parang something about the Marcos base. They split into three: Duterte base, the Marcos base, and the opposition or the progressive base. Kita natin yung dalawa, yung si BBM, yung Marcos base, tsaka yung opposition, traditional opposition base, paakyat. Yun naman kay Sara Duterte, parang nagpa-plateau na. So that is interesting because it's a trend. I'd rather focus on trends rather than on numbers.
Yes.
So the trend is something that should worry Sara Duterte. Kasi parang nakarating na siya doon sa kanyang plateau, sa kanyang upper limit. And with the very large size of the undecided, that's something that needs to be... Kasi nakita naman natin, and I think something that was not said in the report, but I read, yung dating bumaba yung significantly yung number ng undecided At yung a certain more of the undecided that used to be undecided in the past surveys broke for Marcos and for the progressive, the liberals.
But
So, ibig sabihin yan, yung dating yung trend ng mga undecided, mas pumupunta sila sa non-Duterte option. So that is something that is worrisome for Duterte.